All right, let's see here. We are reviewing international Etsy stores, looking at what they're doing well, what they could be doing better, and what they could do to increase their sales. Tangent Inspired, very good name, by the way. 8 sales, good reviews, good logo, good header right here, good stuff. All right, let's see what kind of items you have. You only have 7 items. I would generally recommend more than that. 7 items. You generally want to get up to about 20 or so to really get into good numbers of sales there. Let's see here. The items that you got right here. Let's go ahead. Is this a print? This is a print. Oh, okay. It is a print. It looked like a render there from a distance with black background. Okay, so good pricing, good titling, good SEO right there. These are good keywords to be playing around with. You can make them a little bit more focused, like D&D gifts and that kind of stuff. Those are ways of improving that. And then photography, this is almost a better photo because it looks more real than this one does. From a distance, this looks like a fake render, print-on-demand kind of item. This makes it look real. You could also put it in more context because there's not a lot of size reference to how big this is. Put a coffee mug in there, put it on a desk, throw some more dice in there. I mean, there's dice there, but they're third photo. So it can be a little while to communicate what the item is. But that title is good. Let's see here. Elevate your tabletop gaming. Good deal. All these stuff, all that stuff. Reviews. Okay. Good deal. Good number of reviews. A couple months ago. Good deal. No recent reviews. I wonder why that is. Well, that's for this item. Nope, that's for the shop. Huh. No recent sales for the shop. That's interesting. Let's see here. Good description. Description has really good layout. Good work there. Ooh, cost to ship is high. Oh, it's shipping from the United Kingdom. Okay. If you want to fix this and you want to increase your sales, you can get full access to the United States. The Slant 3D has a plugin where you can just plug straight into it, match up a product listing with it, and then whenever somebody purchases that product, it will come to the Slant 3D print farm and then ship directly to that customer. So that way you can eliminate this high cost of shipping. You get access to the whole United States market, and people don't have to wait for it to arrive. So there's all kinds of benefits for you. That way you can also bake the cost of shipping into the cost of the product. And then you can have free shipping, which gives you more sales again. And those are all good things, basically. Everybody benefits. The customers get stuff faster and cheaper. You make more money as you get access to the U.S. market. So using that plugin would be a really good resource for you. Make sure to order a couple of sample test parts and that kind of stuff. And that's always the thing to do. But that would let you radically increase sales because it looks like sales have kind of slowed down if the last reviews were 2 or 4 months ago. So it might be worth it to try something different. Let's see here. What are these deals? What are these things? Good. You have videos you really want. Oh, cool. So it's okay. So it's a yarn spinner doodle thingamajig. Oh, cool. Nice. Okay, nice. Oh, you have multiple colors. Good. Demonstrating all of those deals. Let's see here. I got color, red, tan, matte. Okay. Let's see here. Again, coming from the United Kingdom, that could be tough. But yeah, since these are solid colors, these are things that would work well for print on demand so you can get access to the United States. Those are all good baselines to work from. Okay, let's see here. What else is there? Thumbnails are good. Everything is framed up well. Like this one. This one is a really good thumbnail because this one shows what the thing is in context. You have a dice in there already as compared to this one where I don't really know what it is from a distance. So those can be tougher. Make sure you're advertising against these. You might mine a few more reviews to get some more sales, like have your cousin or your aunt buy them. And get up above about 20 items. If you can get to about 20 items, that's kind of the sweet spot for Etsy to where they'll share your stuff around more. And I would also recommend, since the yarn spinner seems to be the main item, build some more of those. Build some more variations. Make one that's based on a sun, the flower, this, that, and the other thing. So there's these areas, these niches, and fandoms that you can link into. Those would be really good ideas. But beyond that, excellent store. Very well laid out, very well designed. You clearly understand SEO. Good work. Like, yeah, some things to tweak, just giving yourself wider distribution and make sure you're advertising against it. And it should do really well and you should continue to grow. Great. Good job, man.